It shot across, I think, and hit the camera.
No, we're good. Well, I'm not gonna say it.
Hi there, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen, episode 25.
I lied.
No, it is 25, because the other one's is 24. We just did 24. The salsa. So you're not lying.
I'm lying and I'm lying.
Okay, I know. So today I am making Keto Carnitas. And I have everything out. So I have here about 2.2 pounds of a pork shoulder that I'm going to put in the crock pot. And it's a crock pot meal, which I love. I have an entire lemon, a lime, an orange, a jalapeno. I'm going to put 2 of these adobo chipotles into there. I might do a little bit more than 2. That flavor is a little harsh for me, so I kind of back off of it a little bit.
What do you mean harsh?
It's just the chipotle flavoring is I don't know how to describe it. When we're eating it, I'll explain that taste to you. It's an earthy taste, like dirt kind of.
Okay.
But it's a pepper, okay?
I can't wait to eat dirt.
Okay, so everything's gonna go in the blender. I have a little fork here. And I have a half of a small onion chopped up. In the blender, I already have minced garlic, about a tablespoon of minced garlic. I have a handful of cilantro that I just broke up. So I'm gonna put that in for right now. And, I love this recipe because it's a lot of citrus flavor, and I like citrus flavoring. Oh, I don't know if I can squeeze this orange with this thing, Bill. I might need you to do it. I got it. Hold on. Oh, I should have probably.
That a girl.
Oh! Did you? It shot across, I think, and hit the camera.
No, we're good. Well, I'm not gonna say it.
I should have done this differently. Oh my God, these are big ass lemons.
She's also been working out while on keto.
Oh, I'm down 9.2 pounds now. I passed the 7-pound
Threshold?
what's it called when you're in like a plateau? You plateau at a certain weight loss, and then, but I was cheating too. I mean, I did have some sour stuff when I was watching Charlie last night out of her Valentine bag.
You gave her a fun dip.
I did give her a fun dip. Her mouth was completely green. She's so funny. She goes, that's a messy candy. I said, yeah, it is. Okay, so. And what I do, I know people think I'm weird, I throw these in there just for more flavoring of the citrus.
Makes sense.
You know. So those are in there.
Very rarely do you make sense
I know.
with that one.
Does make sense, right? Here's the orange, another orange. God dang. I mean, you would think that. Okay. Okay, so now the onion's gonna go in. The jalapeno. Okay, and here I have a half a teaspoon each of black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, sea salt, Himalayan sea salt, and ground cumin. That's gonna go in here as well. And I'm going to blend this up and hopefully it all blends good together because I might have to add a little bit of chicken. Yeah, I'm going to have to add a little chicken broth to make it like...
You actually have chicken broth this time?
I do. I do have chicken broth.
I have it for the recipe that called for chicken broth though.
So let's say quarter cup, half cup, what do you think? Quarter cup of that? And I'm going to put a couple more of these little adobo things in there because it's looking like there's not enough in it. So I'm going to put the big one in there. And that one. Yeah. Okay. The broth made it more pliant to, not pliant, I don't know the word.
You're just saying shit.
So see, it's like a sauce. Okay. I'm just going to pour that over the meat. Cover it in there. And voila, I'm going to cook this now on high for about 6 hours. I broke the meat up too because it's easier to shred like that too, and it cooks faster. So that's going in. That's in. When we come back, we'll do the taste test. I love crockpot meals. I'm going to do, like the previous show, is the salsa that I'm making today. It's a completely different salsa. It's a spicy salsa.
Is it the red salsa?
No. I'm sorry, but we all like the other one better.
Well, it's not all about all of you.
I know, it is really.
No, it's not.
It is. You had the reins for a long time, now it's passed on to your
I was
brothers.
taking them back.
Okay, so we'll be back with the taste test on the carnitas. 9.2 pounds on keto. And I make mine, I have these out for that reason. I have these little 0-gram flour tortillas, so I'll have soft tacos. The boys will probably have crunchy corn tortillas that I'll fry for them to eat it. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and then we'll be back with the taste test. And we're back. Carnitas. Eric is going to be my taste tester. Over here is the meat in the crock pot. Oh my god, it came out so good. You can smell the citrus. You can taste the chipotle chilies and the lime and all the everything.
What, can you hear?
I can hear it. Did I say hear?
You did.
This is Eric's plate. I made Mexican rice as well. And this is my little keto carnitas taco. I can have 2 of those and not go over my
What the
points.
fuck are you doing, dude?
Okay.
What am I trying? All of it?
The taco, yeah.
There's rice here too.
I know, but the rice I've already made before, but I just wanted to see it kind of like the taco and the pico. I made the pico with little heirloom tomatoes.
Delicious.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
But you like the other meat better last night than this meat?
Yeah, I like the dark meat better than the light.
The shredded, I made shredded beef last night.
For all you
But
wondering out there.
Fellas.
Fellas?
so look at that. Crispy tacos for them with Mexican rice. Lime,
Did you put lime on it?
I squeeze a lime on you. Take another lime if you want.
Always put lime on your rice too,
Why?
as I said.
He's turning into a food connoisseur.
Why'd you get to eat that tortilla?
Well, it's a keto tortilla. It's 0 grams. You can have one of those.
I
There's
sell,
40
I sell them by the 8, not the gram, if you were wondering.
So I guess they're a success. Billy had Chipotle earlier, so I'm waiting for him to decide he wants to eat his mom's Mexican food because it's way better than Chipotle. So thank you for joining us. I'll post the recipe for the carnitas. Keto. I'm down 9.2 pounds. I'm very happy with that. And I'll see you next week with, we don't know yet, maybe the baklava that I've been promising you guys now for 3 weeks. My producer needs to edit the spot just, but it's apparently too much work, I guess. I don't know. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Check out In the Clinch, the press conference. And I don't know where my Desert Gems guy is. I think he got lost in one of the canyons or something that he was hiking in because he hasn't been around for a while.
Was it your canyon?
Shut up. Have a great night. Thank you for joining us.